Hiniling ni Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte kay dating Pangulong Fidel Ramos na siya na raw ang makipag-usap sa China kaugnay ng agawan ng teritoryo sa West Philippine Sea. Pero ayon sa dating Pangulo, baka biro lang daw ito ni Duterte. Balitang hatid ni Ian Cruz.
Punong-puno ang Cory Aquino Kalayaan Hall ng Club Filipino sa Green Hills, San Juan kagabi nang bigyan ng testimonial dinner ng San Beda Law Alumni Association ang kauna-unahang alumni nila na naging Pangulo ng Bansa sa katauhan ni Pangulong Roddy Duterte ng Class 72. Binigyan ng Plaque of Honor at St. Benedict's Medal si Duterte ng Law Alumni Association. Sa unang pagkakataon, nagsalita si Duterte matapos ibaba ng Arbitration Tribunal sa The Hague ang desisyon sa kaso ng Pilipinas sa China kaugnay sa West Philippine Sea. Muling idiniin ng Pangulo, hindi opsyon ng Pilipinas ang giyera. Pakikipag-usap daw ang tatahaking landas ng bansa. Bagamat hindi pa may detalye ni Duterte ang kanyang buong plano, pinangalanan niya si honorary alumni ng San Beda at dating Pangulong Fidel Ramos na siya raw makikipag-usap sa China.
I have to consult many people, including President Ramos. He might want also to be one of the... But I would like to respectfully ask him to go to China and start the vaccine.
Kailangan din daw ikonsidera ang interes ng mga allies natin gaya ng Amerika.
We do not also want to offend the United States. Why? Because we have identified ourselves allied with the Western powers. So that's an interest which we should not forget. Our interest and the interest of our allies.
Bati daw ni Duterte na maraming komplikasyon ngayon.
You know, there are a lot of complications there. Because now that the tribunal has ruled, the arbitral decision says that is, and if China would insist on a space domain, that you have to identify yourself before you can cross that vast sea there, America will not like it. So they would insist that it's a Philippine airspace. Then walang problem. And of course, the maritime security is just to narrow there. Alam mo, pag nagsira yan, lahat tataas. Because even the insurance of the cargoes on the boats, on the ships there passing by, tataas. So it will create another problem for our economy and somebody else's finances. So, careful tayo dyan.
Pero ayon kay dating Pangulong Ramos, baka naman daw nagbiro lang si Duterte nang banggitin nito ang pagpunta niya sa China.
This is not to show any disrespect to the President of the Philippines. But you will have to consider my increasing age. But I can do the job. However, I have bigger commitments in terms of peace in the world and sustainable development.
Dumalo sa pagtitipon ang mga kaklase ni Duterte na bahagi na ngayon ng kanyang gabinete, gaya ni na Justice Secretary Vitaliano Aguirre at DOTC Secretary Art Tugade. Pinangunahan ito ng presidente ng San Beda Law Alumni na si Justice Francisco Acosta at chairman na si Attorney Avelino Cruz.
He is in the best position to make the decision. And the only role we can have is to support him.
I think he's doing the right thing. Diplomacy is diplomacy.
Ian Cruz, GMA News.